Give you a hint. Bottom right. Dear Jacob, to hear from the inner circle of the British government's view is fascinating. I feel like I'm in a movie set. Okay, so this is what students in Oxford eat on a typical day. It's all buffet. Hello everyone, welcome to Global Hopper. Today's program is very, very different to all the previous ones. Now, because I'm a professional photographer, I have the honor to be invited by Oxford University to shoot one of their weekly events. Basically, it's an exchange program with Oxford University and Hong Kong University. So lots of the best students from Hong Kong University and business leaders within China have come to Oxford University to listen to Oxford University's lectures. Now, because I've been invited by the university, I am honored to actually access all the lectures. So I mean, if you're not a student, you can't really be allowed into the lecture hall, but because of the situation, I am allowed in, and I'm very pleased to take you guys along with me. So let's go and see what the inside lecture hall and lectures students look like in Oxford University. I can't really show much of the actual lecture itself, understandably, but at least we can get a sense of what it's like. So come along, guys. Guys, so this is the lecture theatre.
More and more important.
Integration, where opposing perspectives learn from each other.
当然，这些胜利来的并不容易，它来自长久的磨合和融合。但是，虽然是意见相左的两方，我们都可以互相学习，互相取长补短。
Science and religion, like business and ethics.
Right, guys, second day, still shooting the Oxford University event. We are now in Balliol College, one of the oldest of all English colleges. So, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the courtyard. I'm honored enough to actually go inside and listen to the lecture, so come along. Guys, this looks like Harry Potter's castle, isn't it? Can you imagine to call this place your school, your uni? It's quite something, isn't it? It's incredible. Calling this place your university. It's beautiful.
Use these things that I'm learning and motivating and inspiring people with people who are being paid, who are professionals.
Right, okay guys, so we are now going through these stairs to the dining hall. Apparently it looks like Harry Potter. Alright guys, do you think it's like Harry Potter? A little bit. Hi guys, it's now the 4th day of the week-long Oxford University event, and today we got something quite special. We are here in Broughton Castle. First time I've been here. I'll just show you the view. So that's the castle. It is still in private ownership and is still being used as the main residence of the actual owner. So the university will be having lunch out here. It used to be stable, now it's the restaurant. Apparently it has the best scone in all of England, so looking forward to try that one. Wow, I feel like I'm in a movie set. This is absolutely crazy. Wow, imagine living in this place. Gee.
all the money going off to the 26-year-old Dorothea. So they make sure that Dorothea can live on, which pays off all bad John's debts. And that's why I'm still here today. I want to show through all of these generations. That's me down there.
Of international British companies, BP, British Petroleum, and then for Rio Tinto, the metals and mining company.
Okay, guys, so just had scone and coffee. We've just been listening to one of the ex-member of Parliament giving us a lecture. He used to work for Theresa May as her security advisor, and David Cameron as a member of Inner Circle as a security and justice minister. David something, can't remember his surname. But yeah, it's very interesting. He was giving us a lecture in the building right behind us about Europeans' relationship with the UK, UK's relationship with China and the US. It was really lecturing us or giving a speech about how UK is perceiving China as global power. So it's very, very interesting to hear from the inner circle of the British government's view. It's fascinating. Last stop for the day, Oxford Union, members only. Well, I certainly am not a member, but okay guys, so the building in front of us is the debating chamber, and this is where all the debate within Oxford universities happens. So if you check on YouTube frequently, you can see the interior of this building. Ready, boys and girls, this is where the debating chamber is. This is where all the fierce intellectual exchanges takes place.
So formal debates have taken place. Some of you may follow them on YouTube.
Okay guys, so we are now in one of the reading rooms of the student union, full of leather-bound books, and for tonight only, lots of drink. Guys, so we were just wandering around this Hall of Fame of all the student unions, and guess who I shall see in this picture. Give you a hint. Bottom right. Dear Jacob. He managed to pop out in another photo, this time center left. Okay, so this is what students in Oxford eat on a typical day. It's all buffet, plus cheese and fruit, drinks, and loads of salads. Oh guys, and unlimited salmon. That's pretty rich.